Hi friends, welcome to CR Digital Classes. Today in this video we are going to talk about the research design. What is research design? Research design is a plan or outline of the research process, how we are going to do the research. So a research design is the arrangement of conditions for collection and analysis of data in a manner that aims to combine relevance to the research purpose with economy procedure. So this research design will let us understand how we are going to do the research. Then one more definition, this also says that a traditional research design is a blueprint or detailed plan for how a research study is to be completed, operationalizing variables so they can be measured, selecting a sample of interest to study, collecting data to be used as a basis for testing hypotheses and analyzing the results. So all the steps whatever we are going to do, that all should be planned how to do. For example, if I say sample, what type of sample we are going to collect for the present study, that we should be clear with that. What type of sample we are going to collect, what type of method we are going to follow, what type of testing tools we are going to take, tools and techniques. So all this will be made clarity in the research design. Then objectives. For any study, we should have objectives. The objectives are nothing but the aims and intentions, why we are going to, the purpose of the study, whatever we are doing. Presently, it is about the objectives of research design. That is to carry out the exploratory research. So, the main objective of the research design is to carry out the exploratory research, to define the sources of gathering information. Sources of information is from where we are taking the information. That is sources of data, from where we are collecting the data. So data collection, again you have two different types. One is primary data and other one is secondary data. So from which source we are going to collect for the present research. Then to control errors encountered. So the design should be made, the plan should be made in such a manner which will be minimizes and controls the error. Then to manage unnecessary variables. So it also facilitates to avoid unnecessary variables and it to find out the solution for the research problem. So whatever complete process, the whole efforts we are trying to do is to optimize or to check what is the correct solution for the present problem. Then to manage and maximize the variances. So whatever are there variances, it should be managed. Then characteristics of research design. So it minimizes the experimental error. So the research design, one of the characteristic is to minimize the experimental error, and it is in experimental nature. The research design itself is in experimental nature. Then it is flexible by means of duplication of crucial feature of design. Sometimes it should be flexible. Sometimes we need to change or we need to come with the add or update with the new things. So the design should be flexible enough to facilitate a proper research plan, and it also should be like the duplication. Sometimes duplication here is like we want to change. Sometimes we may be selecting one type of method for the research. Again, we felt that that should be changed. We should come with still more optimal method. So we try to change it so that it should facilitate to change. So that should be flexible enough. The research design is flexible enough. So it utilizes the resources efficiently and it should answer the research question. What are the research questions? These research questions are the gaps which we find from the earlier existing research. So research itself is searching again. So in the part of that, we find some of the areas are not covered. So now we want to cover those areas. So when we identify those areas, we frame it as a research questions. Criteria of good research design is it helps to have a compatibility between research questions and hypothesis. So there should be a proper match between research questions and hypothesis. The research questions are framed basing on the identifying the research gaps in the existing research. So once the gaps are found, it will be framed in the form of research questions, and basing on the research questions, the hypothesis is developed. So there should be a proper match between the research questions and the hypothesis developed. It also helps to have a proper control on the independent variables. So other criteria is to have a control on the independent variables. Then researchers should identify the degree to which they can generalize the results of their study. So the degree to which, that is depending on the level, depending on the requirement, this will facilitate the researchers to which degree it will be helping to identify to which degree the result should be generalized. So this is about the objectives of the research design, characteristics of the research design, and the criteria for a good research design. So hope this video will be helpful for understanding clearly about research design. The questions expected will be essay, same complete research design. We need to write the definition of the research design, the meaning and the objectives, characteristics and the criteria. Thank you.